Welcome to Shorthand study classes. Get ready for transcription. Start. Sir, I rise to support the bill as it has emerged from the Joint Committee, but while doing so, I wish to make some observations generally and also in respect of certain clauses. Stop. The objects of the bill as originally introduced have been enumerated like this that a litigant should get a fair trial in accordance with the accepted principles of natural justice. Stop. Every effort should be made to expedite the disposal of civil suits and proceedings so that justice may not be delayed. Stop. The procedure should not be complicated and should, to the utmost extent possible, ensure fair deal to the poorer sections of the community who do not have the means to engage a pleader to defend their cases. Stop. I wonder whether any of these three objectives will be achieved by this bill. Stop. Parachange. Let us not flatter ourselves that this amending bill, as it has emerged from the Joint Committee, will be able to achieve any of these objects. Stop. The Code of Civil Procedure is a complicated thing. Stop. It was framed in 1908. Stop. We have streamlined it here and there. We have removed some hardship here and there and codified some of the legal decisions, and we have removed certain conflicts in decisions. Stop. But that does not mean that the litigant is able to get speedy justice or justice at less expenses. Stop. Let us be clear about it. Stop. I do not blame anybody, but by the civil procedure as it stands, none of these provisions which have been introduced are really good. Stop. They have removed the doubts and conflicts in respect of judicial decisions which had prevailed, each high court giving a different decision about a particular matter. Stop. That has now been set at rest. Stop. For instance, in section 11, there was a conflict of judicial decision whether the decision of a court with limited jurisdiction can operate in a subsequent proceeding between the same parties in a higher court. Stop. There was a conflict of decisions, and now it is set at rest by saying that the decision of the lower court with limited jurisdiction will operate in a subsequent suit between the same parties in a court with higher jurisdiction. Stop. Secondly, it is also made clear that this principle applies to execution proceedings. Stop. I would like to say that it is a good improvement. Stop.